Hey guys, Tuesday, April 1st, 2025. Let's see what the Black Widow wants to do today. So far, what's interesting is today is April 1st, April Fool's Day. Is the Black Widow tricking us? Was this just a dead cat bounce to push lower? We will see. You know, she likes to play mind games. We have, as of right now, our below point of control, which is 409, 4010. If it was going to be very bullish, but you know, we're dealing with algorithm traders and all kinds of stuff, is digging in a little deeper, but maybe reverse in the US session. But this is the line in the sand in regards to a volume point of control, 409. You want to see it close above? If it's going to be bearish, it'll close below and then continue pushing lower. On the simple glance chart, we are digging into the mobiles, which is 409, 408, same thing. If prices try to push above it, then, and right now it's 408, so it looks like this is just maybe a bear trap. Need to push high, and you got the 20 SMA somewhere around 410. As long as we get close above 408, 410, MACD is positive and stay above the point of control, which is 409, things will look good to the upside. Looking at our Andrews pitchfork, APF in regards to geometry, we are below the midpoint, so that's a little weakness. We need to regain and stay above this point right here. We already, I know, below the 1x1. So we already on weakness in regards to the 45-degree Gann fan. But in regards to the actual swing points that we're using mathematically to get this angle right here, or midpoint, we are below it. So it's a little, you got a little double whammy of weakness. And then start adding, adding factors of these, fractal levels. Things start, this is all more noise based in regards to trend. We start digging in and then close below. You could probably say around 390, then things start really looking ugly. But so far we are below the APF, so that's not good. And in regards to our Gann grid, with the second impulse wave, we're hovering around the 1x2. So it's trying to hold there. We kissed it and held yesterday. Now we're trying to see if we can hold that there. If that cracks, then it's like a domino effect. It starts trickling down, until it just pushes lower and maybe finds support here like it did with the 131 low of 299. Let's go to our midpoint chart. So far, it's kind of waking up. This is where she starts waking up, putting on her high heels, getting ready to go to work. And it looks like she's going to go to work today and get some action going. So looks like she's kind of waking up. The waves are still kind of negative and the mobile is negative. So this could probably be a dead cat bounce, but maybe too early to tell. It all depends on volume and where it's pushing, but so far it's kind of deteriorating. We do have a PPS sell signal. So we sold off, bounced off, pushed off. So now look, the algos are probably going to get some short squeeze here. The question is, will it turn down in the US session? So far there is signs of weakness in the 4 hour. In the hourly, we have obviously our 405. Want to hold that. If that can hold in the US session, is going to push it $4 and obviously 395. Also keep an eye out for like 393, 386 around there. Even 384. Now this is all a dead cat, not a dead cat bounce, but support here to bounce and squeeze the bears. Your target to the upside will be 415. We need to at least kiss that in the US session and then push higher. But if it fails here and goes down, then these are your targets. If we get to kiss it and push above it, then obviously we're going to go to the 75%, which is 420. 420, 421, and then obviously your high, which was 425. So that's going to be your battle zone with extreme levels. I don't know if it's going to get up there, but you never know. 430, 435. It does look a little kind of weak in the hourly, but we'll be surprised to see what happens once the bell rings in the US session. I'm going to sign out. Hope you like this video, and I keep posting on my thoughts on that, guys.